In this question, two charges 10 microcoulomb and minus 10 microcoulomb are placed at points A and B respectively by a distance of 10 centimeter. Find the electric field at a point B on the perpendicular bisector of AB at a distance of 12 centimeter from its middle point. Let's understand this question with a figure. As you see in this figure, we have 2 points A and B, and at A 10 microcoulomb charge is present. We can represent it as Q1, and Q2 minus 10 microcoulomb charge is present. The distance between both is 10 centimeter. And at point O, which is the middle point of AB, a point P is present here. This is the point P, and the distance of this point P is 12 centimeter. So it is perpendicular. So here it is 90 degree. So now we have to find what is the electric field acting at point P. If we see with respect to point A, the direction of electric field is outward direction. We can represent it as EA. And for B, B is a negative charge, so it moves towards the. This is our angle theta. So this is also angle theta. Why both are equal angle? The reason is the distance of OP is same for both the points, means both the angle. This angle, this magnitude is same. Even O is the middle point, so the value of OA is equal to OB, and it's equal to 5 centimeter. So if we have to find what is the value of AP, so AP is equal to, we can use Pythagoras theorem. This is 12, so 12 square plus 5 square, or you can write it AP is equal to root of OP square plus OA square. So here we can write it's equal to 169, so it is 13 centimeter. So we get the value of AP is 13 centimeter. BP is also 13 centimeter because both the magnitudes are same. Now we have to find what is the resultant electric field acting at point P. So to find it, we can make the component of EA and EB. So this is our x-axis and y-axis. So this angle is our theta. Why? Because if suppose this is our Q, so angle QPX will be equal to angle PAB because of corresponding angle. Similarly, this is also theta because these two angles are alternate interior angle. So now if I have to make the component of it, I'm just zooming it. So here we can say that with respect to EB, x component is EB cos theta, and this is EB sin theta. Similarly, EA, this is EA cos theta, and here it is EA sin theta. Now if we find the value of EA and EB, then we can relate it. So here we can say that EA is equal to electric field of a point charge is equal to K QA by RA square. So K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is 10 microcoulomb and the distance is 13 centimeter, can be written as meter whole square. Similarly, EB is equal to K QB by RB square. So we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 10 microcoulomb into 13 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. So from here you see all the values are exactly same. So we can say that EA is equal to EB and its value is E. So let's solve any one of it to get the value of EA. So we can write it as 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 169 into 10 to the power minus 4. So from here we can say that EA is equal to 9 upon 169 into 10 to the power 8. So EA is equal to 5.3 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. So we get the value of electric field 5.3 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. Now if we see the diagram here, what is the component of electric field with respect to x-axis. So electric field with respect to x-axis is EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. And we know that EA is equal to EB, so we can write 2E cos theta. So 2 into E value is 5.3 into 10 to the power 6. Cos theta is equal to how much? So this is our theta, and this distance is 5 centimeter, and here it is 13. So we can say that it's equal to 5 by 13. So EX value is equal to 4.07 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. So we get the electric field with respect to x-axis. Now we have to find the electric field with respect to y-axis. So you see that with respect to y-axis, EA is in the upward direction, EA sine theta, and EB sine theta is the downward direction. And we know that EA is equal to EB and sine theta is same, so both will cancel out. So we can say that EY is equal to 0. So it means that the magnitude of the electric field actually the magnitude of EX. So this is the answer of this question.